Hey everyone, welcome. This is Steve from OpenBOM, and I am really excited to bring you the OpenBOM for Onshape release October 2020. Here is the headline. We've added support for the Onshape flyout. It's called the Onshape app extension. So OpenBOM now runs over in that right side app extension. Well, let me show you. No more building bombs down here in the tabs. So I've got an assembly open in Onshape. I'm going to open the OpenBOM application extension, and of course first thing I'm greeted with is the create dialog. There's no BOM existing for this hinge. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to visit the settings. These are for my particular account. This is where I choose which properties I want to be included in my BOM and maybe which ones I want to go to maybe into my catalog. So this release of OpenBOM is going to automatically create a catalog of all your items that you can use and reuse in other bills of material. So you're going to learn more about that, but check out your settings, kind of get the properties that you want coming in. Keep in mind you're going to have different properties than I have. Okay, and click on Create BOM. And just as before, we're going to go get all the information from Onshape, all the property information, and we're going to build a bill of materials. We're also going to bring the structure. This happens to have a sub-assembly called spring holder. We're going to build a BOM for that too. Going to link them together and you'll see them, you'll visualize them as a multi-level structure. And here we go. Next thing you'll notice is that the UI has been completely redesigned. It's fresh. It has the images look crisp and nice, and so you'll enjoy that right off the bat as well. This is the full OpenBOM bill of material running right in the flyout. So I'm going to let you spend some time with this. You can configure, of course, what information comes across here. I've chose to send over the sizes and some other things that I'm interested in. But I want to take a moment just to show you another feature that we just added. This is really particular in my Onshape workflows. Let's take a look at link 1. Let's open the properties for link 1. You see, I don't have a part number here for link 1. It happens to be my right now, it happens to be set to my part name. So I really would like to manage my part numbers in OpenBOM and bring them back to Onshape. So let's go ahead and figure out how we do that. We've got a bill of material in OpenBOM. It has the part number that was equal before to my part name. I really like to use my company's part numbering system. I'm going to choose that guy. I'm going to open the new item information. And this is something that's really new. I'm going to go to part number. I'm going to pick that edit part number and look at this little swooshy that appears down here. Let's pick that up. We just generated the next part number in a sequence for our Onshape items catalog. Put it in there for you. I clicked on save. I'm going to say send this back to Onshape. And now link 1, which we were just editing, we can see here. Link 1, let's go over and check it out. Link 1 has that new part number. Okay, it's really cool. I want to do that again once more so you can see it. Let's look at H100 let's look at the wall mount. Let's look at the wall mount. Wall mount has its part number was set to part name, a very common practice. I really want to get the next part number in OpenBOM where I master my part numbers for that. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go to item information. To come down here, edit the part number, click the swooshy. I got the next 1015 number, save it. It now picks up a new part number. I'm going to send it back to Onshape. Fantastic. I've now modeled my design in Onshape, and I can start assigning my part numbers in OpenBOM based on my part numbering sequence. So I hope you really find that exciting. There's plenty of new things coming. I'm going to shoot some other videos for this new release. We'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.